Okay, so this is looking over the top of the falls. Bridge. Top of the falls is over there. We're looking upstream here. Let's lean forward just a little bit so you can see the water is moving really fast. I think this is the shot they had on the news this morning, is looking upstream. Now we're looking at the statue of Hiawatha in Minnehaha, and
a lot of water.
There's a whole lot of water. That you can see the island is actually totally overflowing, or overflowing. There's the statue right there. Here we are, a little coming upstream. You see, it's a lot of water coming right up on the banks. There's the walkway. There's the water. And here's a sign, which I don't know what it says. Maybe we'll go up on that bridge, but there's the sign, also totally inundated, along with its trees. There's the statue right over there. Here's the fast-flowing water, rocks that are usually exposed. Right coming, so here we are, standing on the sidewalk. There's the fence, and then the water is right up to the fence. And actually here, you can see that there's the stream, and also the water is flowing right out onto the sidewalk at the bend there, and all the way down to oh, and also I hadn't started the video. So here's the falls.
Oh my goodness. It's not like here, look at over here.
Okay, so this is the little footbridge at the bottom of the falls, so the falls are up that direction. Yeah, so that is a lot of water. And as you can see, it is moving very, very fast. Actually, I'm finding just the idea of standing on the bridge there to be a little intimidating with that much water going through. And it's so loud. I don't know if that's going to come through on the video, but it's thunderous. Okay, so now we're on the bridge that we were previously looking at. And let's see if I can get the sign here. So, danger, falls ahead, do not enter. That is the sign, the swamped sign, that's usually on, you know, a little island in the middle of the stream here. And now is just part of the river.